Hi everybody, this is your Mati. Welcome to Bring Divine Mind channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. Today we are going to see about a topic, how to impress others. This is very essential topic in today's world. We'll be searching in all the books, internet, everywhere that how to impress people. It may be you'll be impressing your girlfriend or a boyfriend or your husband or a wife or your friend or your boss, whoever it may be. We want to impress others, right? So, this is very important in our day-to-day life. Shall we go to the topic? My question is, why to impress others? You just tell me. Why do you want to impress others? Because we want to get good name from them. We need their affection. We need their love. They should do something for us. So we want to impress them. This is the fact actually. Am I right? My answer to this question is, you don't want to impress others. You be like you. Okay? You don't lose your originality for others. You just express to express and not express to impress. If you try to express to impress, what happens is you will get tensed and sometimes it will not come naturally. But if you express to express, what are the things which is built in within you, it will come naturally. Express to express is better. Okay? What I mean to say is, you don't do something which is not coming for you in order to impress the particular person alone. Instead, you try the thing which you know already and which you are very familiar with. So, express to express is better than that. Now, I am going to give you some of the tips that helps you to impress others in an easy way. Okay, these tips is not going to change your personality completely. This is a small thing which we can adapt with us. The first is smile. Smile is very important. I have told you in so many videos. It melts even a heart of a stone. So whenever you're meeting a stranger, if you start with a smile, your conversation begins in a smooth way. So smile is very important. And next is eye contact. Whenever you're talking with a person, just have eye contact, look at their eyes and then listen to them patiently. So that will also give a very good impression. And next comes, use some polite words instead of using harsh words. Say for example, if my son is coming to me, I'm doing some important work in my laptop. And he's saying, Mommy, see this game, no? Please see this game. Just like that he's saying. If I shout like, can't you see that I'm working in a laptop? Why are you coming and disturbing me? If I'm saying like this, how he feels. But instead if I say, Kanna, Mommy is working in laptop. I have an important work. Just 2 minutes you wait. I'll come and see it. Okay? If I say like that, how it will be? So this is the difference. Instead of using harsh words, try to use some polite words. That creates a good opinion on you. So people likes you a lot. And the most important thing is, how we are going to say something is very important than what we are going to say. We can say anything, but the way we are going to deliver it is very important. Say for example, if a person is coming home, what you are saying, welcome. Instead if you say, wow, welcome, really hearty welcome, really I'm expecting your arrival. Just like that if you're saying how he feels. So the voice modulation, the tonality, the way you respect them, the way you react to them, everything matters. Your voice modulation and the way you are giving your expressions, everything speaks in welcoming a person. So you have to stick on to that. And the next thing is, I'm going to tell you some of the words which is very useful for you in order to impress others. These are simple things which you can adapt in your day-to-day life. You don't want to bring a great transformation within you. You can adapt these words when you're talking with people. The first most important word is thank you. Thank you is a very important word which you have to use in your day-to-day life. My friends will be telling me, why you are saying thank you among friends? We are very close now. Why are you saying thank you? Even I was telling when I was small, the friends, why we have to tell thanks? Just like that I'll be telling. But when you practice saying thanks, you'll get a good feeling, If you say thanks for 100 times or 1000 times per day, you feel good and you have a positive vibration around you. Why you have the thought that you shouldn't say thanks to the close one and you have to say to the other people? Thank you is common to all. You should say thanks to all. So say thank you often. At least thanks. And the next word is please. Whenever you are requesting something from others, just add please. These are simple words only, but we are not at all using it. So whenever we are requesting something from others, so the word please is the most humble and polite word, so you have to use it often. And then sure. Whenever you are having a conversation, you use the word sure. And then in your opinion, what's your opinion? You just ask, what's your opinion? So people will get a trust on you. They'll talk to you freely. So that word is very, very important. Can you do this for me? I do agree with you. Yeah, you're correct. Exactly. So these are some of the words which you have to use in your day-to-day life in order to impress people. So the main thing is you don't do extraordinary things. Use simple things. And you just be natural. And you don't destroy your originality in order to impress people. Okay, I have seen so many people trying different things which is not at all coming for them and they will fail. So instead of doing that, use some simple things, and what you have to do is just express yourself. Just express to express and not express to impress. Okay, be natural. Because whenever you're talking naturally, everything will come smoothly. You don't want to do anything extraordinarily. And you don't want to act or pretend. Because you're not trying to do something different. You're just expressing your originality. Okay, hope these tips are very useful for you in order to impress others and to lead a successful life. Thank you so much for your patience listening. Thank you.